Hey, what's up guys? This is Mr. Chris with Infotainment.com. We got the Tacoma again. We're going to do some modifications for you. We're going to be pulling off these chrome end caps and putting some painted ones on. All of this chrome is going to be gone, give it a little bit of a premium feel. This is the piece that we're going to be swapping it out for. So let's do it. All right, so to get started, what you're gonna need are some form of panel popper or flathead, flat blade, anything just to remove a few panel clips on the bottom and in between the bumper and fender gap. So once I get one of these out, I'll show you what it looks like. And you wanna be careful not to mar up your painted surface. So these are the clips here. Very similar to the clips that you have under the hood and the rest of the vehicle. Just you kind of stick your flat blade under there and pry it apart until that center section pops up. There are 5 clips holding this piece on. So you got 2 in this gap here that need to be popped off. There it goes. And you got 3 on the bottom. A little bit of dust may fall. There you got 1, 2, and oh, right there, 3. Then from here, should be able to pull back. Essentially, the bumper just hangs over this lip here. So you just got to pull it past that little lip overhang there. On the back of this piece, and the thing that makes it kind of a pain in the butt to pull off is this little clip here, which slides over this little extruded plastic piece right here. So when you're pulling, you're gonna have to pull extra hard right here just until this little clip pops off in the back. With brute force, try to do it a little, be careful with it if you are gonna reuse it, just so you don't break anything or damage anything. All right, we're gonna do the same thing on this side. There you go. All right, so for reinstallation, to make things a little bit easier, you can pull out of the bumper itself or the plastic cover. There's a couple of clips that hold this center section on, one on either side. Once you pull those out, you just kind of pop up on this bumper step pad to help you get that new piece in there underneath that lip. And you just kind of pop that into place. And we can put a clip back on this side. And basically you're just going to do the reverse of what you did take off. And you want to see if you can get this jaw type clip back in between there. You're going to want to pull maybe with your finger a little bit. There we go. Once you get it lined up, you can just kind of press it on there and it'll stay in place. Keep that top edge nice and tight. And then for the sides, kind of the same thing. You just grab the clips with your fingers, kind of line it up with the holes. Snap those into place. And there you have it. Let's go to the other side. All right, so now that we got this all wrapped up, we do have some TRD Pro floor mats that we're just gonna add in real quick. All right, and here's the TRD Pro all-weather floor mats. Before you drop these in, you probably want to vacuum your truck out. We're gonna get this detailed, so I'm not too worried about it. But simple install, drop her in. Nice. All right, your front floor mats, they're gonna be side specific, so they'll only fit in there one way. But once you get it in there, you just press down over those little retention clips and spin them to the right to lock it in place. All right, and just like that, you took care of your chrome issues with your Toyota Tacoma and helped out your interior a little bit by putting those all-weather floor mats in. For more like this, check us out at Infotainment.com. I'm Mr. Chris with Infotainment.com, and we'll see you next time.